back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a little unboxing, and I'm excited to share with you a few things that I've purchased whilst I'm here in England. After that, we are going to be going to the Houses of Parliament, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, and also to Big Ben. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. Now, before we dive into today's video, if you are just landing on my channel for the very first time, my name is Teresa, and this channel is all about leveling up and becoming more elegant and more graceful. And if you're interested in that, please go ahead, click that subscribe button, and join our community of women that are becoming more elegant and more graceful. Now, without further delay, let's jump straight into today's video. Okay, ladies, so welcome back. Let's get into this unboxing that I'm super excited about. So the first thing I am going to unbox with you ladies is from a store called Dune London. Now, this is something that I have really been looking for, and I have not found them yet back in the States. So I stumbled upon this store the other day, and I thought, oh my God, I am super excited to find this. So let's unbox it together. And after unboxing this, I'm going to show you how I styled it up together with what I'm wearing today. But I know you have a sneak peek there. These are some slingbacks, and they are in this beautiful mocha color. And this is a tonal color for my skin tone. And one of the things I know about elegance is you should always own a pair of heels that are tonal. When you're wearing a very monochromatic outfit and then the shoes are sort of tonal to your skin tone, it elongates the leg. So this is going to be really, really beautiful. So this is the first pair I got, and they are suede, so they're really beautiful. And again, they're from Dune London. Let me show you how they look on my feet. Look at that. Look at how tonal this color is to my skin tone. Now, one other thing I wanted to share with you that I do when I'm wearing a dress without a hosiery, and that is I put on some skin oil. And the one I want to share with you today is by Typology. And I talked about this particular brand in my skincare video, but this is so fabulous because it gives your skin a shimmer. So let me just show you what I do. So basically, you just take a drop of this and you take it down your leg, like so. And then you just rub it in. And it really does just give your skin a really, really good shimmer to it, especially if you are in the sun. It looks really beautiful. And then I take it and I go to the other leg, like so. And it only takes a little bit. You can put it on your arms and also your décolletage. But this gives your skin like this really beautiful. You may not be able to see it right now because here in the UK, it's a little bit cloudy today. But trust me, in the sun, it looks really beautiful. So that's what I do. So now you can see, and I rub the rest on my arms if there's any left on my hands. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But I have been looking for some skin tone shoes for a very long time, and I finally found them. Now this next item is the pièce de résistance. And this is something that I could have ordered from England, from the States. However, they were going to charge like $150 tariff on this particular item. So I decided to wait until we came here to London to pick it up. And so we're going to do this unboxing. And this is from a store. Those of you that are from the UK will know Selfridges. Selfridges is a really beautiful department store. Before I unbox this with you ladies, we walked to their flagship store yesterday that was near Buckingham Palace, and they were actually closed. So I was really disappointed. And so I ended up going to Selfridges and finding this particular item. This is an item that is also a brand that is used by Kate Middleton, and also I think Meghan Markle and some of the more famous people that are here in the UK. So let's do the little unboxing. The first thing that you're gonna see is this beautiful dust bag. And it is by the brand called Demilier London. This is a British brand and I love it. It is absolutely fabulous. It has the highest quality leather that I have seen in a very long time, but it's a beautiful item. I bet you ladies are saying, just go ahead and open it up. So let me do that. But it came in this really beautiful dust bag. So let's open it up. And we are going to take it out slowly. This is the handbag that I have been looking for a very long time. And I love the look of this. I haven't taken off the plastic here, but I just love this beautiful gold tone with the dark chocolate brown. And most of you know that chocolate brown is a color that is in this year. It's going to be in for a very long time. I don't think chocolate brown ever goes out of fashion, to be honest. And then you just clip it. It locks securely and it has plenty of room on the inside. I'm going to be carrying it out today, in fact. But the leather on this bag is phenomenal. So what I'm going to show you here in a minute is two different ways that I can wear this bag. So we're going to do that, but this is a shorter version and I'm going to show you that. So the first way you can wear this bag is on the shoulder, like so. And actually it's adjustable and you just pop this little gold clasp here and then you can move it and adjust it. So if you want it to fit a little bit looser on your shoulder, you can adjust it and just wear it like that, which I think is really, really cool if you just want to have it on your shoulder. Now, the next way that you can wear this bag is to fully adjust it. So bring it all the way down and you can wear it like a crossbody, which is actually one of my favorite ways to wear this handbag. And then you put it over your, like that. And look at how beautiful, and it matches really well with the shoes. So I love this bag and I want to come a little bit closer so you guys can see it. But it has in very small letters, Demilier London, right there in the front. But once again, most of you ladies know that I am not a person who loves to see logos on my brands. But again, this is just really high quality and I wanted it for a very long time, but I didn't want to pay the price of the tariffs. Okay, so the last item that we're going to unbox is something that is more practical, but also something that I really love. It is from a brand called Hotel Chocolat, and it is chocolate. And I just had to have this. This is British chocolate. It is by Betons, if I'm pronouncing that right. Any of you from the UK, if I pronounce anything wrong, please feel free to correct me in the comment section down below. But this is an 85% dark chocolate. It is from British cacao growers. Those of you that know me well know that I love dark chocolate. That is sort of my weakness when it comes to something that I just want to have as a little bit of a sweet. I don't have desserts pretty much at all because I don't like sweet, but when it comes to chocolate, it's all 100% for me. So I really, really love this. So that is all I wanted to unbox with you ladies today. Now we are going back out here in the next hour. Once again, we're going to Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. So make sure you stay tuned for that, because I'm going to be sharing with you some scenery from that area of London, which I think you will absolutely love. So without further delay, let's go and tour Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament.